ऑर्गेनिक में जिनको दिक्कत है वो रोड मैप टू ऑर्गेनिक एक बार वीडियो देख लीजिए, मैं डाल दूंगा कि क्या क्या होगा, तो कैसे कैसे क्या क्या होगा। आप ये नहीं आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते कि इसमें कौन सा रिएक्शन होगा, ठीक, एलिमिनेशन होगा, सब्स्टिट्यूशन होगा, पेरिसाइक्लिक में एक्सेट्रा में प्रॉब्लम होता है। देन रोड मैप टू ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शन, ये एक वीडियो है, मैं डाल दूंगा। नाउ एसिटोलिसिस ऑफ कंपाउंड, एसिटोलिसिस ऑफ कंपाउंड, एसिटोलिसिस ऑफ कंपाउंड ए is 10 power 11 times more faster. इसको अगर देखा जाए तो it is almost, it is extinct, almost नहीं, almost not almost, but it is asked in the all the competitive exam of UPSC now, all competitive exam, even in geochemist prelims. Last question 2020, arrange the following compound in order of the acetylysis A B। सबसे पहले क्या होगा, सबसे पहले अभ्युदय, अभ्युदय,
यस सर।
सबसे पहले इसमें क्या होगा, कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे
सर एंटीमरिक रेसिस्टेंस होगी कि एंटी पोजीशन पे है ये, तो
आंसर तो पता है, आंसर तो पता है सबको,
हम्म
सबको पता है, लेकिन 10 मार्क्स का है।
तो सर पहले अपन को ये बताना चाहिए कि 10⁻11 टाइम्स जो है, तो ये इतना बड़ा इंक्रीज बाकी फैक्टर से नहीं आता, सिर्फ एनजीपी से आ सकता है। तो उसके बाद फिर अपन एनजीपी एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे।
बालाकृष्णन,
यस सर।
कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, हाउ टू इनिशिएट 10 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, आंसर सबको पता है।
स्टार्टिंग में सर एनजीपी डिफाइन करेंगे।
एनजीपी डिफाइन करेंगे, एनजीपी को क्या डिफाइन करना,
पता नहीं।
सेकेंडरी सबस्ट्रेट, सबसे पहले तो सब्स्टिट्यूशन तो बता दीजिए कि मैकेनिज्म तो क्या होगा। इट इज सेकेंडरी सबस्ट्रेट वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल, इसमें SN2 भी होता है, इसका SN2 का भी सवाल है एक, अभी अभी आपको हम करवा देंगे। एक, इट इज सेकेंडरी सबस्ट्रेट वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल, दैट्स व्हाई SN1 mechanism take place where reactivity is decided by stability of carbocation. But A is 10⁻11 times more reactive as compared to B. This cannot be defined by simply on the basis of stability of carbocation, because in both cases 2-degree carbocation is involved. Now B, सबसे पहले हम बेस के बारे में बताते हैं, जो बेस है बी, departure of OTS take place and then carbocation is attacked by water as nucleophile in a normal process of SN1. Normal SN1. But in case of B, pi bond is at right position. Pi electron is at right position for anchimeric assistance. Anchimeric assistance. Similarly, B1, B2, so reaction take place through a non-classical carbocation. Non-classical carbocation. This anchimeric assistance leading to formation of non-classical carbocation underlined or in box. This anchimeric assistance leading to formation of carbocation, non-classical carbocation, is responsible for formation of is responsible for 10 power 11 times more reactivity of B as compared to A. छह से सात नंबर, आठवें नंबर के लिए ऑक्सिलरी, आठवें नंबर के लिए इनफैक्ट इन द केस ऑफ in this case two products are formed. That is OTS H, that is H2O. Two products are formed. That is case. हालांकि प्रोडक्ट हमसे पूछा नहीं गया है, फिर भी अगर हम इसको दे देते हैं तो हमको 1 नंबर मिल जाएगा और ज्यादा। 2 प्रोडक्ट्स आर फॉर्म। ये 2 products are formed. SN2 के हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना था, क्योंकि इसका एक वेरिएशन भी है जो कि बहुत कम पूछा जाता है। दैट इज KOH DMF KOH DMF compound to undergo nearly 10 power 6 times more faster reaction as compared to compound 1 to give the normal product. But compound 1 give abnormal product. Explain the observation with mechanism. Now, secondary substrate strong nucleophile in a protic solvent leads to SN2 reaction. Where exceptional change in reactivity is decided by NGP. For NGP with antimeric assistance, leaving the group and participating group must be anti to each other. In compound 2, OTS and pi bond is completely anti to each other. OTS pi bond completely anti to each other. Now, in second step, OH attack. Here product is already given. That's why we not go for other product. In case of 1, bridgehead sigma bond is anti to OTF. And here NGP take place through this bond. बोल्ड कर देना है इसको. प्लस OH माइनस अटैक है तो गेव this product. That is that's why we get this product that is nothing but this. Since antimeric assistance by sigma bond is less effective, so rate of reaction is less. That's why in any question of nucleophilic substitution reaction, first of all you have to identify the mechanism, which mechanism is operating. That is the right approach to introduce the reaction. DL pair of 303 bromo 2 butanol when treated with HBr give DL pair of 2,3 dibromo butane, whereas DL pair of erythrio compound give the mesoisomer. Explain with mechanism. Explain with mechanism. Now, our question is like this. HBr gave this and HBr. That is, in both cases, mechanism is SN1. In both cases, mechanism is SN1. Taking place through carbocation intermediate. which is planar. Therefore, a non-stereospecific behavior must be observed. यहाँ पे हम रेशमाइजेशन वर्ड का यूज नहीं किए, अदरवाइज वी हैव टू एक्सप्लेन partial rationalization with inversion, that only thing that non-stereospecific nature is observed. But in both cases here, a complete retention is observed. Now, this can be explained on the basis of NGP. Now, Sawhorse projection formula. Sawhorse projection formula. Now, CH3, Br, H, OH. For NGP, both Br and OH must be empty to each other. Now, two interchanges. That is, Br at top, H, CH3. Now, OH at bottom. That is CH3, OH, H. Now, protonation take place. Br, OH2 plus HCH3, CH3, H. Now, bromine is at right position. एंटी को थोड़ा सा बोल्ड कर देते हैं. Cyclic bromonium ion is formed. CH3, H. Then bromide ion attack from below the plane. And we get Br, CH3, H. That is nothing but Br, CH3, H, CH3, H. That is trio. Now the second compound. CH3, Br, OH, H. Here, both Br and OH are empty to each other. H plus, that is. departure, bromonium ion, cyclic bromonium ion is formed. That is CH3 H CH3 H. Now Br minus attack take place. CH3 CH3 Br H Br H. That is nothing but meso compound. CH3 Br H Br H CH. So it is NGP leading to formation of cyclic carbonium ion is responsible for retention of configuration. In a otherwise non-stereospecific SN1 reaction, alkaline hydrolysis, third, alkaline hydrolysis of ET2 and CH2, CHCl, CH3 gave ET2 and CH3, CH2, OH. It is nucleophilic substitution reaction with rearrangement. It is nucleophilic substitution reaction with rearrangement. It is nucleophilic substitution reaction with rearrangement. Rearrangement generally takes place during SN1 reaction where carbocation intermediate is formed. But in that case, rearranged product is always formed by more stable carbocation. But here, a 2-degree substrate give 1-degree product. A 2-degree substrate give 1-degree product. So certainly, this rearrangement is not due to carbocation intermediate. NGP can explain this. NGP can explain this. Now, step 1, That is, nitrogen with alkyl substitution is highly nucleophilic and act as internal nucleophile to give cyclic ammonium ion. To give cyclic ammonium ion, step 2, in the cyclic ammonium ion, attack of nucleophile take place. Since this attack is SN2 attack, so it takes place at less strictly hindered, more electrophilic carbon. Giving rearranged product as major product. That is one is major product. Such a rearrangement is explained by nephrin group rearrangement and regarded as SN2NR. Generally, it is asked in 5 marks. Now, exonorbornyl tosylate, exonorbornyl tosylate, which is optically active. Exonorbornyl tosylate, which is optically active, give mixture of acetate, which are optically inactive, racemic mixture. It is rearrangement with retention of configuration. It is rearrangement with retention of configuration. Cannot be explained on the basis of either SN1 or SN2 mechanism. NGP can only explain such a rearrangement. Essential condition for NGP in rigid cyclic system is essential condition for NGP in rigid cyclic system that leading group and participating group must be anti to each other. Now OTS is at exo position and bridgehead sigma bond is completely anti to this. Now it can easily attack. To push the OTS, forming a carbonium. Now, such a carbonium ion is non-classical. Non-classical carbonium. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Attack can take place either above the plane or below the plane. Plus charge OAC minus above the plane or below the plane. to give either this OAC or OAC. Both products are found. So NGP is dominated. NGP is dominated. NGP का डोमिनेशन होता ही होता है. इसलिए जब भी आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन का रिवीजन करें, आप टाइम को वेस्ट ना करें और फोकल पॉइंट रखें एनजीपी. एनजीपी SNI मैकेनिज्म, SN2AR, SN1AR and stereochemistry of SN2, SN1. वैसे तो पूरा करें, बट फोकल पॉइंट्स आर